Okay, here are my skies on the hillside. It's not the place I wanted to do this, but I'm so exasperated. I took off without the screw. There's the sun. The screw to hold my GoPro in place. So I'm doing this by hand. So there's a little bit of blue, and I'm looking towards the west. There's some dark clouds coming in. We'll probably get rained on again. Meadowlarks are singing, and the truck is backing up. I doubt the crickets show up on this sound. So the GoPro just shut off on me. It's fully charged. This is just not my day today. And as I do this, of course, the sun comes out a little bit more. It's almost like it's taunting me. So I'm gonna go home, make some stuff with resin, cook some potato and ham casserole for dinner. Comfort food sounds good. All right, everyone. Love you all. This day's almost over.